Hello Python enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Python for Beginners series. I am Nidurina Tebona, and in today's lesson we are going to explore a crucial concept of programming, loops. But before we dive into the world of loops, let's recap what we have learned so far. By now you are comfortable with basics, variables, and conditional statements. So we learn about fundamental concept of Python, learn about variables and data types. We have learned about conditional statements. We have written our first Python program, Hello World. We've learned about different functions in Python like print, input, and we have tried and tested writing Python code with what we have learned so far. Today we are taking it up a notch. Loops are like repetition wizard in Python. They allow us to perform tasks over and over again without writing the same code multiple times. There are two types of loops. First one is for loops. These are great when you know how many times you want to repeat a task. You set a range and Python does the rest. In this example, we use a for loop to write a number between 1 and 11. The next type of loops is while loop. These are perfect when you want to repeat tasks until a specific condition is met. They can be like having a forever button in your code. In this example given, it runs the loop until count is less than or equal to 5, and it prints the statement with inside the loop. While iterating, it increases the count by 1. Let's put loop into action. Open your favorite IDE and let's start coding and see what these loops does. We'll create a file for our for loop. We'll name it forloop.py. We'll add a comment. In this program, we are going to use for loop to print numbers between 1 to 11. Let's write our code. For number in range 1 to 11, print number. That's it. Let's run our code and see the output. That's right. It print 1 to 10. In this for loop, we are telling Python to start at 1 and go up to, but not including 11. It prints each number in that range. Pretty cool, right? But that's not all. Let's explore our while loop. Let's create a new file for that. called while loop .py, add a comment. In this program we are using while loop to print a statement until the given condition met. We need a variable count equal 1 while count less than or equal to 5, print within quotation, this is loop iteration count, increase count by 1, count plus equal 1. Let's run this program and see what it does. Okay, it prints this is loop iteration 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until the condition is met. Once the condition is met, it exits the while loop. In this while loop, we are saying keep going as long as the count less than or equal to 5. It adds 1 to count with each iteration. And just like that, you are a loop master. Loops are incredibly important when automating repetitive tasks. Congratulations on mastering the loops. In the next lesson, we'll delve into functions and modular coding, which will help you create even more powerful and organized Python programs. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one. Have a nice day.